Join Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 7 to 12. Register today for Cell Talent Search exam for class 6 to 12. Admissions are now open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2022.
I know there is a long pending issue of the IIT campus. It is a long story. Actually, in my last tenure also, as all of you know, that is always coming in the newspaper. Always we had given the places at 2-3, somewhere in Konkani, Sange, Sattari. Every time there is a problem is coming this. But this time I'm not promising you anything, but I'm telling you the one thing, sure shot, we are giving you the permanent campus within a short span of time. And I'm really working on this. The Professor B.K. Mishra and your entire team knows this. That's why I said I'm not promising you anything.
If we look at some of the challenges, perhaps the greatest challenge facing us relates to climate change. Issues of sustainability and impact on climate will have to be considered to an increasing extent in all our activities. But though it's a challenge, this is also an area with a great potential for innovation.